Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to Skype app. Then in this page of app and for you we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.